Now I'll present you the 90 marks calculation of speaking module. Let's have a look. PTE Academic Speaking, 90 marks calculation. Describe image is the priority one question type in speaking module because it supplies 28 marks to your 90 marks of speaking. So 90 marks is ultimate score, 28 marks are supplied by describe image. So this makes it priority one question type, P1, priority one. However, it does not supply score in the other areas, like it does not give score in listening or reading or writing. It is only speaking score that it gives you. So I'll write only what? Speaking. Summarize group discussion should be your priority 2 question types from speaking module because it supplies 17 marks to your PTE Academic Speaking, right? And in addition to this 17 marks, it supplies 18 marks to your listening. So both speaking score and listening score. This is 17 and in listening it gives you 18. So double dhamaka. You will get what? 2 different scores by only answering one type of task in speaking effectively. So this should be your priority 2 in speaking module. And the third one, P3, priority 3 should be repeat sentence because it gives you 15 marks in speaking. Additional 15 marks it supplies you in listening. So this is 15 marks in speaking, 15 marks in listening. So both it gives you, it is an important task. Speaking plus listening, P3. You know, the priority number 4 should be what? Retell lecture, which supplies 12 marks in speaking and 12 marks in listening. For that reason, it is your priority 4 task, top 4 task in speaking module. Respond to a situation. This task supplies to 12 marks to your speaking. It is only speaking, there is no other score. So this should be your 5th priority for your PTE speaking score. So this is at number 5, ranking number 5, only speaking score it gives you 12 marks it supplies to your speaking. Last one, 6th task is what? Read aloud. There will be 8 marks coming from read aloud. So this should be your priority 6 or last priority because it also gives you speaking questions. So please see these 3 tasks: describe image, respond to situation, and then read aloud. These are only speaking tasks, correct? They only give speaking score. They don't give you other scores. But the other 3, these 3 will give you what? Additional listening score, right? So I'm giving you the priority order so that your valuable time, your valuable energy can be channelized in a perfect manner. So in the practice portal, in my practice portal, there are free practice questions. You can happily answer describe image questions there and get a feedback, right? Like how are you doing in your content, oral fluency, pronunciation, how are you doing? How to improve your oral fluency also my site tells you. That's the first site in the world which is a suggestion-based PTE practice portal I have developed. So in Summarize Group Discussion also, you will get same AI suggestions, instant suggestions you will get. Every type of question you can practice in the practice portal, and all these questions related, effective, exam tested, classes, strategies, tips, templates, everything is there in the practice portal. You can register for free. You can even take one PTE readiness test. In 30-40 minutes, if you sit for 30-40 minutes and if you finish that test, you know where do you stand if you take PT real exam today or tomorrow. Are you getting it? That's how it is. So this is the score breakup of PT speaking module.